Hello everyone, in this video clip, I am going to teach you one of the most needed computer techniques that both students and teachers should know. And this is about changing the orientation of a page within a Microsoft Word document. So in this video clip, you are going to learn how to change the orientation of a page within a Microsoft Word document. So from portrait to landscape and vice versa. Now here are the steps. Let me just read and we will have a demo later. So first, you need to click on the first line of the page that you want to change the orientation. Next, click on the Layout tab and click the drop-down arrow on Breaks. Then select Next Page and finally, click on Orientation tab and choose the other orientation that you want to apply in that particular page. So let's have now the demonstration. So for example, this is our Word document and we want this second page to have a different orientation. Say for example, we want this to be in landscape form. So anong gagawin natin? Let's just follow the steps indicated. So first, we need to click on the first line of the page that you want to change its orientation. So ito yung gusto natin palitan ng orientation. So mag-click lang tayo dito sa first line. And let's take a look at the next step. It says here, next, click on the Layout tab and click the drop-down arrow on Breaks. So originally, nandito tayo sa Home. Okay? So ang gagawin lang natin, i-click lang natin yung Layout tab. And then we will click the drop-down arrow on Breaks. And we will select Next Page. Okay? Then finally, after na na-select na natin yung next page, or na-click na natin yung next page, finally click on Orientation tab and choose the other orientation that you want to apply in that particular page. So, i-click na natin ngayon yung orientation, and yung original orientation natin, yun yung naka-highlight. So, it says here it's portrait, and this time gagawin nating landscape, itong second page natin. So, you just click on landscape. So, heto na, napalitan na natin yung orientation natin. Now, what if I want this third page again to have a portrait as its orientation? So, anong gagawin natin? Ganon ulit. So, you click on Layout tab, then choose Breaks. Then again, click Next Page. And then again, go to Orientation and click on Portrait. So, eto na, napalitan na natin. So, on our first page, the orientation is portrait. In our second page, the orientation is landscape. And in our third page, the orientation is again in portrait form. So here are the very simple steps on how to change the orientation of a page within a Microsoft Word document. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell for automatic update when new videos come out. Thank you.